everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Pontiac LeMans Sport convertible. I've owned 3 of these cars over the years, all of them convertibles too. I've actually never had a hardtop one. Great car. This car has just undergone a complete body up restoration. This is your factory color combination. It's Cardinal red with the ivory interior. It's got that pearl look to it. It's got the brand new white convertible top. Great car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Good solid body, pretty paint. 350 engine, 350 cubic turbohydramatic trans, stock 10-bolt rear end, factory air, bucket seats, console, factory tach, and gauge cars. So it's got the rally pack gauges, disc brakes. I'm sorry. This car I think has drum brakes. I apologize. It's got the Rally 2 wheels on it. Just a nice car, man. Again, great car. Runs and drives good. I think everything on it works. So one thing we are going to have to do is recharge the air. But very, very nice car. Not a whole lot to nitpick. The one thing you can nitpick, the front bumper shows its age. It's because you can't buy one, guys. They do not remanufacture that front bumper. So if you want to change, you see it's got the original bumper, so it's got some marks in it, shows a little wear. It's not hideous, but it definitely, you know, the rest of the car is so nice that is the one spot you can pick. But if you want one, you're actually going to have to send it out and have it re-chrome. They do not reproduce that bumper. Again, factory color combination. Cardinal red with the ivory interior. Dust there, guys. You can see that dash in there is nice. The glass is real nice. Then it's got the ivory interior, bucket seats, console, factory tacking gauges, power top. We've got the boot for the car as well. A couple little touch-up marks. Pretty car. Again, they've replaced the rear bumper because you can get that one. But again, if you want the front bumper done, you know, companies like the Bumper Boys out in California, you can ship them a bumper and have it re-chromed. There's nice and straight down the sides. Again, Rally 2 wheels. And really drives good. Just a good running and driving car. The only thing I did to it, I put new dual exhaust on it. Little stone peck right there. Pretty car. 350 cubic inch engine, factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes, and air. We got the compressor to kick on and everything, but it is going to need to be recharged. 350 turbohydramatic trans, pretty much bone stock underneath the hood here, and detailed nice. Factory air cleaner and valve covers. Yeah, I had a burgundy one, LeMans Sport convertible. I had a burgundy one. I had a, a black one. So, like I say, I've had 3 of these cars. Dual mirrors. They're nice. You can see that paint is slick. New door handles. New door rubbers. You can see the doors are nice and clean. Like I say, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car, guys. Really pretty car. New carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. I ordered the new floor mats for it. Again, it is a power top. It's got the rally, $29,495. I'm sure that's $129, guys, but there's only a couple thousand miles on the restoration. Factory tach car, AM radio, which does work. Owner's manuals in the glove box. It's got, again, I put all brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end, not a big gear, probably like a 308, 323, definitely a cruiser. You can see you can see how crisp and clean this car is. Factory jack with spare is in the trunk here. The boots in the trunk. Again, factory jack and spares here. He's dynamated the bottom here. It's all spackle coated, and then of course it's got the boot. Come on, there we go. Nice car. Pontiacs are. Pontiacs, Buicks, Oldsmobiles, just good cars. They were step above a Chevrolet. They were marketed towards white-collar workers. See how nice cars underneath, clean, solid underneath. Marking your door panel there. Pretty car. It's got all the correct GM seat belts in it. You can see the seats are nice. We probably put, I'm gonna guess, about 10-15 miles on the car, and it's just been a really good car. Like I say, nice and tight. We got fired up, Jordy. Really hits the road good. Again, we're going to have to charge the AC. This is a good car, man. Real good car. Gauge up there works, tach works. Go ahead and put your top up, Jordo. You can put it up for the ride too, Jordy. Oh, hold on, stuck. Hold on. Yep, go ahead. It's coming. Go ahead and go through your lights, Jordy. Yeah, verse lights work. It's got a great sound to it. Again, top's all new. It's got the plastic rear window in it. Again, you can see it's all new. Got ahead of myself. Nope, I got it. We went through the lights and everything. Sorry. Factory AM radio works. Blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Did you get that other side latch too? Okay. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button at the bottom of our video there. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.